A clue!
What was that?
A clue!
Oh, you see a clue. Where?
Right there!
Oh, wow. There's a clue on that tornado. Wait. How did Blue get her paw prints all over that tornado? Well, either way, we need to put this tornado clue in our handy-dandy notebook. Right. Okay, let's draw a tornado. We can use our gray crayon and make a line that swirls around and around and around like this. And there, we have a tornado. Uh-oh. The tornado is coming this way. We gotta get out of here. Phew! We made it back home, safe and sound.